Right now there are so many diagnostic tools on the market, it can be overwhelming and really difficult to choose the right one for you, your needs and your vehicle. We've tried and tested hundreds of them and there are a lot of lemons out there, so in this guide we'll help you avoid those lemons and make sure you choose the right scan tool that works for you, your needs, your vehicle and of course your budget. So if you need a tool for a basic airbag or check engine light reset, through to a more complex tool for coding and adaptions, then this guide will help you out. So let's get started. We have 5 tools out on show, and at the end of this video I'll reveal which of these tools I would buy if it was my personal money, knowing what I know about all of these tools. They are the best selling tools at Diagnostic World, so they all have a good reputation and a good track record. And starting at this end of the table, we'll start our way from the cheapest through to the most expensive, and as we work through the table you'll generally begin to understand that as we go through the table, the tools will generally have more features and functionality. Okay, now if you're still unsure about which tool to go for at the end of the video, I'll pop the email address in the description below this video. I'll pop it on screen as well. Send us an email with your vehicle information and we can recommend something for your needs and whatever reset or adaption function that you're looking to carry out based on your vehicle and your specific budget. Now I'm going to put links to all of these kits in the description, and all of these tools come with free lifetime updates. Okay, so starting at this end, this is the FD version 1.0 tool. So this tool is going to allow you to diagnose, let's say you've got like a check engine light, an ABS light, a transmission fault, an airbag light, maybe something with like the power steering or the parking sensors. This is going to allow you to diagnose faults in those systems. It'll give you live data in all of those systems as well, so it'll allow you to diagnose it, it'll allow you to reset it, which will in turn reset the warning light on the dashboard. This also has one built-in service function. You'll hear me talk about service functions throughout this video, but this service function will allow you to do the oil service reset in the vehicle as well. So if you've got like a maintenance due, a maintenance like exceeded, or oil service due, something like that, this can allow you to reset that. Okay, and honestly, if you've just got like a check engine light or an airbag light, you kind of don't really need to go any further than this tool. I would recommend that you do and keep watching, because there could be implications to only buying a tool like this, which I'll come to in a moment. So but this will do your main systems. Like I say, allow you to diagnose, reset the fault, and if that's all you're really looking to do, all you're really interested in doing, maybe you're thinking about getting rid of the vehicle, or you're just not bothered about anything like more advanced, then this is a really good tool which will meet your needs. Okay, so that's the FD version 1.0 tool. We then move to the US version 3.0 tool. You might be wondering what happened to the version 2.0 tool, which would sit in the middle here. We feel that the version 2.0 tool, it's called US version 2.0, we feel that that tool maybe doesn't represent fantastic value for money. It's a lot more expensive than this and just a tiny bit less than this, but it does way less than this and only a little bit more than this. So I would say if you're thinking about the version 2.0 tool, I would honestly reconsider and maybe look at the version 3 instead. Purely because value for money wise, the amount of diagnostics you get with this tool far outweighs anything in the version 2.0. But the features and functions of the version 3.0, well, this is bi-directional. It does coding, it does adaptions, calibrations. It does a wide range of service functions, so it's going to do everything like your DPF regenerations, electronic parking brake, throttle calibrations, steering angle sensors, new battery, injector coding, brake bleeding, suspension calibrations, EGR adaptions, AdBlue, DAF resets. So we've got like an engine countdown, engine start countdown. This will allow you to do that, but it really does depend on which vehicle it's plugged into. So we'd recommend certainly giving us your vehicle information if you wanted to take advantage of one of the service functions, just so we can check to make sure it does work on your vehicle. But other than that though, it does all live data, covers all systems again, like the engines, airbags, ABS, transmission. It effectively does everything that the 1 and the 2 will do, plus additional functionality and coverage as well. So that's the US version 3.0 tool, which has been a good seller for a number of years. But we then move on to the version 4.0, the US version 4.0. This tool is a new tool for 2026 going forwards. It's early 2026 at the time of making this video, and we've had this listed for about 3 or 4 weeks now, and it's been selling really well. And let me tell you why, because this has a few additional tricks up its sleeve. So the version 4.0 tool, some of them might sound quite small, but they make your life easier. So it does Wi-Fi updates, okay, free lifetime updates, but the updates are done through Wi-Fi. So it's just a few taps, connect to your Wi-Fi, it downloads all the software to the tool. With these tools, the 1, 2 and the 3, you have to get cables out, plug them into a PC laptop, then you need to download the software on the laptop, connect the tool to the laptop via the cable, and download the software, which kind of takes a long time. It's not difficult, don't get me wrong. All instructions are included on how to do that. It's just this tool makes that, it just gets rid of that whole process, and it does it there and then on the tool within a few seconds, okay? So that's the Wi-Fi updates element. It's a touch screen, so with these tools, again, it's not bad, it's not horrible, but you have to use like dome keys to actually work your way around the menu systems, which is fine. They serve their purpose. With this tool, it's just a bit quicker to do the touch screen. You know, you can scroll left and right, up and down, and go to exactly where you need to be on the tool to get certain bits of resets, data, functions, things like that. So that's one of the additional features of having the touch screen. But again, this will do everything that the 1 and 2 and 3 will do, plus some additional little features there for you as well. So that's the version 4. This is the iCarsoft CR Pro Kit. Now, CR Pro Kit has been a good seller for a number of years, purely because it covers all manufacturers straight from the box. It covers all systems, and it does a lot of the service functions that the DIYers will need. It doesn't do as many service functions as these tools will do, but it still does do some important service functions. So things like DPF regeneration, electronic park and brake, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor, battery registration, injector coding, oil service, ABS brake bleeding. It's important to stress again though, it does depend on the vehicle. Send us the vehicle information, we can check for you, okay? But this is one of the best value tools out there that covers all manufacturers and all systems within those vehicles, and service functions as well, plus live data. So the CR Pro Kit is, we've been making these videos now for the past 10 years, you know, the best tool for going back to like 2020, 2016, 17, then onwards, and now here we are 2026. But this tool has been on the table most of those times, certainly the past 6 or 7 years without fail, because it's very good at what it does. It's an excellent value for money tool, okay? So that's the CR Pro Kit, but we then move on to the CR Max kit. Now the CR Max is a tablet based kit. It's the most advanced kit on the table, but just because it's the most advanced doesn't mean it's like ridiculously high priced or anything like that. It's still very much within the reach value money wise as for any DIYer, okay? It takes all of the best features of all of the features of all of these tools and pops them into one powerful, ready to go tablet based kit, which is a touch screen. It has all software installed, all manufacturers, all systems, live data, component testing, bi-directional, calibrations, adaptions, bits of coding, depending on, again, it does depend on the vehicle though, for a really good price, okay? So that's a CR Max kit, which is ready to go straight from the box. Now I mentioned at the start of the video, I would give you my recommendation based on what I know about these tools, which tool I would go for. And I would say it would definitely be the version 4.0 tool, based on the amount of ability this tool has, the sheer software, diagnostics, coverage and functionality that it has built into the tool. And it's going to kind of cover you for all eventualities. So we mentioned the version 1.0 earlier. I said, you know, if you wanted to, all you wanted to do was a reset, then that's on an airbag or a check engine, this tool is going to be fine, but it might bite you in the bum 2-3 months down the line when you've got a more advanced problem that this tool just can't deal with. You may have to then buy another tool or take it to the garage, which is more expense. Well, this tool just kind of eradicates the need to get another tool, because it's just going to include everything straight from the box in the tool, and it's not, I wouldn't necessarily say it's future proof, but I would say with the software always being updated, it's always going to be ready to deal with whatever is thrown in front of it, whereas this tool maybe not so much. So the version 4.0 without a doubt for me. The other tool I'd recommend is the CR Max. So this tool, as I say, just covers everything straight from the box. Has all manufacturers preloaded in there, does all of the adaptions, it's ready to handle anything that's thrown at it. And the good thing about all of these tools actually is that there's no kind of additional fees or additional like service charges or update charges, because all updates are free for life, which is a really good benefit of all of these tools. So for me, it's going to be the version 4.0 or the CR Max. But it all really depends on your specific needs, your circumstances, your budget, of course. So good news if something on this table has kind of stood out for you and made you think, yes, that's the one I need to go for. But if it hasn't, then please do email us. The email address is in the description. I'll pop it on screen as well. Send us an email with your vehicle information, make, model year, if possible the VIN number as well. That would really help. Then we can give you a recommendation based on that vehicle. Tell us what you're looking to do, and we can recommend something based on what you need to do, and obviously with the budget in mind as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope this video has helped. Links to all of these kits are in the description, and yeah, email us if we haven't been able to answer your question in this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.